Hello friends, my name is Prasad Kulkarni. Welcome to my channel PK's Concept. Today we see biology topic tissue. Before that, let's roll the intro. What is fundamental unit of life? Yes, cell is the fundamental unit of life. They make up all bodies of living organisms. So what do you think that how many number of cells required to build any organism or living thing? So basically it depends upon the organism. So when we talk about amoeba, it made by single cell, yes, only single cell, carried out all the functions like respiration, digestion, locomotion and excretion of this organism body. But my friends, if there is an organism like human, animal, things get changed. They do not have single cell. They have many cells which carried out their function. So here in animal or in human body, there are group of cells doing one function. Here we see type of A chart doing respiration and type of B chart doing digestion. So this group of cells or cluster called as tissue. Yes my friend, tissue. Each tissue carried out specific function. So my friends, only multicellular organisms like human and animal having tissue for doing specific work at specific position in the body. So one example is here, like muscle tissue that helps body movement by doing contraction and relaxation. Do you think blood is an tissue? Yes my friends, it is also an tissue. At this moment you know what is tissue, but what about plants? They having tissue? And if they having tissue, then they are like animal tissue? So here is my answer. Plants having tissue but they have not tissue like animal tissue. So here we see difference between plant tissue and animal tissue. So basically plants are not move like animal, they are always stationary at one place. So they are non-motile. Secondly, plants having dead tissue because they have only mechanical support, so they having low maintenance. When we look to animal, they have motile tissue because they move place to place. Animals having living tissue, they get nutrients from nature. Basically plants having two types of tissues. One is dividing and other is non-dividing throughout the life, that is root. Here is another important part of plants growth is not uniform. It is restricted to specific part. But other side, animals having uniform growth. Because of this, they have dividing tissue. Thanks for watching this video. Support channel by clicking like button. Also share this video with your friends, family member and comment this video. Please subscribe my channel PK's Concept. Hey friends, if you are not download Flipkart app, please download by clicking link in description box. See some products, if you want to buy, click that links. That's it for now. I will meet you in the next one.